Singer. Raising Jazz is started with Boris Albrecht quickly restart. Mindful Minstrel is running by Daryl Gio Conte. Moving up now is at Alta Al Volcano Baby Smarty Mascara Sharp Look Rebelde. Running by Daryl Kiss Bang Bang Perfectionist. Getting the white strip as they make the first turn is Donya. Then Ansha. Then down on the inside is Nobody But You. While so this script is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of Dolly the Racing down the backstretch with the quick is striving Torres all on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 6 lengths lead. Mindful Minstrel in second at all now wins third, then down on the inside now is Gio Conte. Mascara moving up is Al Volcano. Kiss Bang Bang Baby Smarty Sharp Look Donya Venancia likewise closing in Perfectionist. Nobody But You Rebel the second last, while also the script is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch with Mindful Minstrel by about 2 lengths at Alin Sailing Al Volcano. Moving up is Gio Conte as they swing to room with Mindful Minstrel. Al Volcano, Donya Venancia is on the outside. It's now Al Volcano. Donya Venancia is on the outside. Al Volcano, Donya Venancia is on the outside, and finally is a close finish between Al Volcano, Donya Venancia.
An exciting race fans. We have a close finish. Photo here between 10 and 14, Taal Volcano and Donya Venancia dito sa ating race number 2. Kandang laban nun. Hindi mo malaman kung sino talaga ang gustong manalo hanggang doon sa last 100 meters kung saan itong dalawang Yamado, no? Ang halos ko Yamado sila eh.